Welcome to the Boatyard, buying and selling boats since 1985. And here's a look at another one of our great boats in our inventory. The Boatyard is the place to find your next boat. Looking to trade? We offer cash for your boats or let us sell your boat for you. As the largest pre-owned boat dealer in the South, you're sure to find exactly what you're looking for with us. So whether you're looking to buy, sell, or use our free consignment program, the Boatyard is the easiest, hassle-free way to sell your boat.